Struggling to pick the perfect questionnaire site? Let's break down Jotform, Typeform, and Google Forms in a flash. First up, Jotform. Look at the extensive templates they offer. You can build anything from event registrations to order forms with tons of customization. Just drag and drop elements super easy. Now, let's check out Typeform, known for its sleek, conversational interface. See how each question appears individually. It's great for engaging users and boosting completion rates. Pick from the layout options on the left. Lastly, we have Google Forms. Simple and straightforward, perfect for quick surveys and quizzes. Directly integrated with Google Sheets, making data collection and analysis a breeze. Use the plus button to add more sections. Jotform, powerhouse for complex forms. Typeform, designated focus for high engagement. Google Forms, simple and free for basic needs. Pick the one that fits your questionnaire needs best. Which one are you going to choose? Let us know in the comments.